You sit down to work. Your phone buzzes. You check one message, then scroll, then open YouTube, then 40 minutes disappear. Sound familiar? It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack discipline. It's because your focus is untrained, and the modern world is a battlefield. Here's the truth. Focus is a mental muscle, and just like a weak body can be trained into strength, a distracted brain can be trained into power. In this video, I'll show you why your focus is weak. It's not your fault. Simple daily exercises to train it, and powerful hacks to protect it for life. Chapter 1. Why focus is failing. Your brain didn't evolve to scroll TikTok. It evolved to survive in the wild. Fight, flight, food, safety. But now, you face 5,000 dopamine bombs a day. Notifications, pings, pop-ups, autoplay videos. Every distraction is a rep, training your brain to be scattered. Here's how it works. Every time you switch tasks, your brain releases a hit of dopamine. It rewards you for switching instead of staying focused. You're literally rewiring your brain to crave interruption. In psychology, this is called attention residue. Every time you switch, a piece of your focus stays on the last task, and the more you do it, the weaker your ability to concentrate becomes. So, if you can't read for 10 minutes without checking your phone, that's not you failing. That's your brain doing exactly what it's been trained to do. The good news? You can rewire it back, one simple habit at a time. Chapter 2. The Daily Focus Workout. Here's the good part. You can train your focus like a muscle, but it needs reps. Daily Exercise 1. The Focus Timer, aka Pomodoro 2.0. Set a 25-minute timer. Pick one task. Eliminate everything else. Work until the bell. No breaks, no multitasking. Then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. This rewires your brain to push through discomfort. Daily Exercise 2. Distraction logging for 3 days. Keep a sticky note next to you. Every time you feel the urge to check something, write it down. That's it. What gets tracked gets trained. Just noticing when distraction shows up weakens its power. Daily Exercise 3. 5-minute deep reading. Start with just 5 minutes a day. No skimming, no jumping. Just one long-form article or book chapter. This builds your attention span back, word by word. Think of these like push-ups for your brain. Small, but they stack up fast. Chapter 3. Protecting your focus. You wouldn't train at the gym and then eat junk all day. Same here. Once you train your focus, you need to protect it. Hack 1. Build a no-fly zone 1 hour a day. No phone, no tabs. Just focus. This becomes sacred. Defend it like your life depends on it. Because your dreams do. Hack 2. Dopamine reset zones. Start your morning without a screen. Even 15 minutes of boredom helps your mind reset. Walk, journal, just sit. Let your brain breathe. Hack 3. Visual triggers. Put your goals on paper where you work. Make it harder to forget what matters. Screens pull you in, notes pull you back. Hack 4. The rule of 1. Only one focus goal per day. That's it. It could be write 500 words, learn for 20 minutes, finish one report. Small wins train momentum, and momentum fuels focus. Here's the truth. We live in a distracted world. But that doesn't mean you have to live distracted. Most people lose focus, then shame themselves. Then repeat the cycle, but not you, not anymore. Because now you know, focus is a muscle. It can be trained, it can be protected. You don't need to do more, you just need to do less, better. Comment below. Which daily focus habit will you try first? Let me know. I read everyone. And if this helped, share it with someone stuck in distraction. Because the difference between success and failure is the ability to focus on what matters long enough to finish it. Subscribe for more brain-based performance hacks.